Yes, this is my first show here at the show. I'm very, very excited. No, it's not very liquid. That's not the first. Andrew, it's great to see you from Endoline. Now, tell me about what's behind and why this is so exciting.
Okay, so it's exciting for two reasons. We'll talk about this stand first. So we're a family business doing case erecting and case sealing machinery. We've been doing it for about 37 years, so I'm informed. And we've launched a new product today, which is basically taking our technology and putting it into one complete system, reducing a lot of footprint and incorporating case packing as well. So not only are we making the box and sealing the box, we're now actually loading the box as well, all inside one machine. This is the first time we've ever showcased this out in the open, and yeah, we're really excited about it.
So what's been the reaction from people popping by and seeing it? I know it's only day one, we're only in the morning, but has it been quite exciting? Because this to me seems like you're fitting quite a lot of things all in one, and that is a brilliant solution for business.
Yeah, I mean, I'm quite shocked really. A lot of people have come over. We took 2 inquiries in the first 15 minutes, I mean, which is unheard of normally. It doesn't start getting busy till mid-morning, but so far so good. But yeah, I mean, because you've got moving machinery and something people haven't seen before, I think that's the secret of a show. Bring something that people haven't seen before, otherwise they walk past, tick in the box, yeah, same old, same old. But today we've got something different, something new and exciting to talk about.
Just sit me down here a little second, Andrew. Yeah. So you've got your 3-in-1. Yes. So what do you feel is the main selling element to this? What is like your stand out?
So the standout is how small this machine is. You've got a case erecting section in here in the first part. You've got a loading section in the second part and a sealing section. The way of doing it would be 3 separate machines, and you're probably talking about twice, if not 3 times the size of this in terms of a factory. Factory space is at a premium in any factory nowadays. Everything needs to be small and compact, and this is exactly what this gives you.
Fantastic. Reducing space, reducing cost, and also I would presume cost as well for the electrics and everything that goes along with that, I presume.
Yeah, absolutely. Less wiring, less conveying, less electrics required. Obviously it's all running through one system, one HMI program. So yeah, it's the advantages there's a lot of them.
Now I'm going to give you that back so that you can put that back in the system, because you've not just go wash your hands. You've not got one launch here, you've got 2 launches, and I'm going to do a little sneaky slide over here to Gregori. Here he is, the sales manager for the brand new business. Now, Andrew, before we talk to Gregori, tell me a little bit about why you've decided to spread out and do something different.
Yeah, we've always wanted to take the company forward and grow, but it's a case of when, how and why, why you're going to do that. So we've seen a gap in the market for palletising systems. Of course, in a production line, you've got to make the product, you've got to box it, you've got to pack it and seal it. After that it's got to go on a pallet and then it's delivered to the customer. So it's automating that process of putting it on the pallet, which is the next step for us really as a company. So we decided to bite the bullet and we set up a second business. We wanted to keep it separate because it's predominantly on robotics. So I can introduce Endoline Robotics, which is kind of the yin to our yang. So we've got the white side and the black side, which complements each other with our products.
Right, okay, so Gregori, it's over to you now. So it's pretty impressive seeing the system here. And we heard Andrew talking about, moving down the production line and filling a gap there. It's fantastic. So talk me a little bit about the detail here.
So basically, this is our new toy here. And of course, we utilize Fanuc robot. And this system, what it does is it's palletizing and depalletizing the trays automatically, and then we have a stacker, destacker for the pallets. So the pallets can be loaded in a stack, then they go into the system, and the destacker will automatically deliver 1 pallet for the palletizing and depalletizing position. And then we have a sorting conveyor to get different types of trays to get them delivered to the palletizing position, and we demonstrate in this way how we can handle a mixed pallet. And then we run in circle and depalletize the trays again and put them on the conveyor.
Do you think that this is where the industry is going?
Yeah, absolutely. This is where the industry should go, and I think a lot of manufacturers are willing to automate. Of course, it's all about the return on investment and moving people from the manual applications to a more advanced positions and more interesting and exciting places in the production. And of course, we're here to help with the robots.
So we're here at PPMA. You guys have now launched 2 things here. I'll bring you back in, Andrew. Tell us why the show, why come here, what is it about it?
I mean, this is in our own backyard. We're a UK manufacturer, so the predominantly our market is in the UK base. We do export, but the majority of our business is in the UK. So we need to be seen to be here. We like being here. It gives us a chance to meet all customers, get new inquiries, and especially in terms of launching our new business. This is probably the biggest show that we've had in our company's history because it's the first time we've branched out to a second business. So this is the best platform for us to do it on.
Brilliant. Well, thank you, Andrew. Thank you, Gregori. Good luck with the rest of the show. If you want to come down and see a bit of yin and yang, get yourself down here.